What's up everybody and welcome back to another video, and today we are playing Microwave Dinner. And sorry that I didn't finish Airplane Story last video, but if you want to see the finish then go play it for yourself. But let's just start. So we're back, and soon for a sneak peek, soon I'm gonna get a new profile for or icon for my channel. But let's just start. We're going to Blue Fort Port. Play game. Whoa, I'm traveling. I'm a microwave. Oh, it's a fridge. Whoa, where am I? It's me, Mr. Mike. I could fly. I could dive. Oh, my car. I'm rolling. That's how I dive. How do I crap? Oh. Okay, so let's just explore the place before we get out of here. What's in here? Ow. Okay. Can we get out of here? Yes, we can. Okay. Let's go here first. What's this? Ow. Upgrade. Upgrade fail. The next upgrade requires 3 total microwave rooms. Okay. So that's sort of like where you could upgrade yourself or something. Okay. Let's go. Ow. Okay, I'm in here. Let's just go up here and see what's up here. Oh, it's like a freezer room. What's in here? Nothing. Absolutely not. Okay, yeah, there's nothing really. Let's just roll down the stairs. Whoa, ow. Okay, let's roll it out. I keep crashing. Okay, let's get out. Okay, let's maybe get out of this place now. Yeah, I think we've seen everything. Let's see the light. Wow, Blue Fort Port. Wow, it's chicken. It's me. I think oh wait, were we in the fridge? We were probably in the fridge. Okay, well, this is beautiful. So much for me to explore. Hey, Coral. I can't really punch anything. Oh, a chest. Can I open? Open. Oh, it's a treasure map. I need like a nail and a bottle. So we'll probably have to look for treasure chests. Let's go up here. Who's that? It's someone else. Chicken. Banana. Okay, yeah, let's go this way. Chicken. Hey, it's someone. Hey, it's someone. Let's say hi to someone. I reckon you're one of them tourists. Welcome to Blue Fort Port. You've met the best farmer on the island. That I am. Can I go in houses? I can't. Oh, chicken! I'm microwaving them. This is like Mario. Where should I go? Let's go here. It's a lighthouse. Hi, robot. Hey, robot. Yeah, you. I bet you could use this ramp to get a bunch of speed with that wheel of yours. You could probably even zip across the water to the lighthouse. That would be so cool. Okay, I'll do that later. Let's first explore. Okay. Maybe let's do that. His request now. Okay, I'm ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go. Come on. Yeah. Oh no. Ow. Not enough speed. Come on, let's go. Come on. Yeah, let's go. Get me speed. I made it. Do I have 200? No. No. Okay, let's get some more chickens if I want to go to the lighthouse. Here's some. Probably need to get all the chickens on this island. Okay, come on. Oh no. Okay. Let's get them chickens. 34. Oh wait, what's up here? Come on. Climb. Got it. Okay. Got them chickens. Where else can I go? So, ask mommy. So,
Okay.
let's go over here. Oh no, I'm dead. Oh, I'm dead. Okay, so we need more chickens. So, oh, what's this? Can I have this? Chicken! Okay. Why does this whole town like chickens? Well, I'd like chickens. Yeah, okay, I made it. Give me them chickens. Come on. Duh. Okay, come on. Yeah. Okay. Chicken. While in the air, you can press that. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Let's maybe talk to this islander. Let's talk to this islander. Those rats. Angry, those rats. They went and hid the cheese in the sewer. They've been stealing cheese from the hotel for so long. Someone needs to stop them. I'll stop them. Wait, is this the hotel? I only got 72. I'll come back here when I have 72. Ooh, I could go there though. Okay, I could go there though. I got 80 in me. Please don't tell me I have to spend my... they're gonna go. Area unlocked. Yes, I still have 80. Okay. Restaurant. It's Bob, not Blob. Restaurant. Kitchen. Oh, hi. Stew. Microwave stew. Hello, Bob. I'm too short. Welcome to the restaurant. Oh, a robot? A microwave robot? You must be here for a job. Go talk to the chef. He's straight back in the kitchen. I don't want a job. I want to eat. I'll just go your way. Wow. This is so cool. Can I? Okay. Oh my gosh. Let's break. I want to break this. Come on. Okay, I want that. Let's talk. Can we talk to the bartender? Bartender. No, we can't. Okay, let's go to the chef then. Hey, I'm the chef of this restaurant. Too bad I'm not doing much cooking because nobody will help me. I'll help. Great. I need food for the soup. Get some and put them in the pot. I need lettuce, chicken, a fish, and a carrot. Good luck. I already have. Oh, cheese. Okay, well, let's go maybe here. There's probably something in here. Oh, there's the lettuce. Go. But come on. Let's put this in here. Come on. Should we put this in here? Let's go. Drop. Okay, now I feel like there's still something in here because of these boxes. Okay. Oh, a secret room. Let's get in here. Whoa, oh, chicken. And there's just sausages in here. Okay, come on. I haven't really hovered yet. Okay, come on. Drop. There's maybe stuff around the place. So let's go upstairs. Okay, come on. Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna hover. Oh, it takes really slow though. Oh, okay. Okay, come. Let me. Okay, let's go. Okay. Anything here? Oh, box. Oh, secret room. I said secret room. I said secret room. Okay. Oh, it's that secret thing guy. Oh yeah, they did say they want the. Oh. Yeah, I'm jumping in there. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm not immune to water. Come on. Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay. Oh, carrot. When was this here? Okay, let's go. Come on. Let's drop the carrot. Ah! Oh no, did you just jump into the soup? That's not a hot tub and nobody wants to eat you. Did I put... Do I really have to get those things back? Oh, I think I already got it. Okay. And didn't really get the fish. Let's get the fish. One more thing I need. Okay. I can't jump in there, so I'm just gonna try to get it. Jump. Come on, jumpy. Jump. Okay. I couldn't get it. Come on. Jump. Okay. Dang it. How do you get that? Jump on. Okay. Pick up. No, you're coming with me, but you're dead. Sorry, Gerald, but we have to cook you. Come on, let's go. Come on, get cooked. You're cooked. You're cooked. Now the carrot. Okay. Probably it's one somewhere else. Because I got the carrot but fell into the thing. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay. Here. Carrot. Where's the carrots? Here. Oh, hey. You must be the new guy. Just be careful inside the freezer. I heard that there is a loose vent that could fall at any moment. I really need to fix that. I want to destroy that vent. Come on. Okay. Can I break it? There's no carrots in here. Did I break the game? I'll be right back. Huh? So, did I break the game and I lose the carrot? Carrot? Is it on the side or something? No. Are you in here? Carrot. Dude, the carrot's in there. Come on, give me. Oh, I almost got it. Okay, I can somehow try to get it. Because the carrot is in there, so good. Dude, the carrot's in there.
Okay, that's fine.
Oh, there's the carrot. Let's jump in and get it. Okay, how do I get that carrot? It's stuck in there. Okay, it's somewhere here. How do I get that carrot? How do I do it? Do I have to restart? Don't tell me. Don't tell me. How about maybe I'll reset.
Hi, Sam.
Yeah?
Can you help her? I think she wants the rhyme superhero.
Okay. I just reset it, so I think I'm just gonna do it again. Okay, let's just go into it now. Again. And let's see. I still got 80. Okay. Now hope I could get those back. Okay. Oh, you have to be kidding me. Please don't tell me. Please don't tell me the carrot's in there. No? Oh, the carrot's in there somewhere. How do I get that? Yeah, man. Okay, maybe if I get it, then I'll spawn with it. So it's under the thing. Come on, grab it. Come on. Jump. It's hovering. Come on. Come on. So I'm back. At least, kind of. I saved my progress, but it restarted this. So I just grind, and now I'm gonna get the carrot and try to not fall in the water. So let's get it. There it is. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Drop it. Take it. Drop. Drop it. Yes! You finished collecting everything for the soup. Go talk to the chef below. Okay. Okay, we got it. Wow! You got everything. Thanks. This is going to be a delicious soup. Everyone will love it. But did you put Mr. Bubbles in the soup? The restaurant's pet? Oh. Haha, I'm messing with you. I must have been in another fish you had, right? Anyway, thanks for helping. I'll give you this. You can have it. What? Food! Food! You got microwave dinner. Take it to the fridge board power core and use your. Okay. Come on, go, go, go. This is way better than chicken. Go. Come on, let's go. Fridge bot. Ow. Time to complete this one. Now I think we go to the upgrade station. And let's put this in. Upgrade failed and fuel. Oh. Wait, but then where do we put this? That task we just got. Where do we put this? I don't know. I don't think we need it right now. I think we just have to do one more task and then we can upgrade it. So let's go. Oh, we got 90. So we need 10 more to go to the hotel thingy guy. Let's talk to this. Oh. Let's talk to Mrs. Blob. So, hello. How are you? Nice weather we're having. The ocean is so pretty. What's in here? Okay, nothing. Any chicken? Oh, and chickens. Okay, let's go. This could be 10. Yeah, this is definitely more than 10. This is way more than 10. Yeah, but come on. Let's go. Let's go to the hotel. He's angry because like mice were stealing trees in the sewer. So let's go to the sewer. Area unlocked. The sewer. And then we could after this we could probably unlock the upgrade. The cheese. Rat sewer. The cheese vault. Why is it all cheese? Oh no, okay. Let's just break all these boxes. There could be like good stuff in here. Okay, come on. Like, you see, there's so much chicken. What's in here? Oh, nothing. Okay. Let's just break this box. I mean, this box. I mean, this box. Okay. Now let's go here. Come on. Okay, come on. Okay. Yeah, let's go this way first. Hi, it's Mr. Rat. Squeak! This vault has the best security. You'll never make it past the buttons. Oh, we need cheese. Okay. Come on, where's them cheese at? Okay. Can't go in there. Nope. Okay, is there anything in here? Okay. Yeah? Okay. Yep. Oh, look, it's cheese. Yep. Okay. Okay, how do we get them? It's okay. stay with you. Okay, let's just get them cheese. Oh no, 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 no. Okay, I'm dead. Oh, cheese! Cheese! Nice good old cheese. Just stay in the living room. It's okay. Daddy will come back. Daddy will come back. Okay, so we got the cheese. Okay. Why is that? He'll come back. Just watch, okay? Okay. Let's bring this to the button, because that probably was where it was meant to go. Oh, this is taking a while. Okay, let's go. Okay, so let's just bring this back to the cheese. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Rotate. Okay, there's the button. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Let's just drop. There we go. This is where things start to get tricky. You'll need to get 2 pieces of cheese in the next room. Good luck with that. Haha, squeak. The cheese was just right there. So let's probably just get this. Emergency exit. What's this? Yeah. Okay. Let's use the emergency exit. Okay, so I'm in the emergency exit. Oh. Let me. Okay, why did I go there? Come on. Come on, let's just quickly go there. Okay, you have to be kidding me. Come on. Why did I go there? I was so distracted. Come on, let's go. Come on. Let's just go here. Okay, come on. Oh no. Color coded. Squeak. Good luck getting past this door, even if you don't know the secret to the next room. I won't tell you the secret even if you get the door open. I won't. Okay, maybe let's just get that cheese I left earlier. Oh. I left that. Yeah. Here it is. Wait, did he just tell the secret when I was about to talk to him? He said color coded. Wait. Oh, there. Okay. Okay, I can't dive. Let's maybe drop it. I might need this later. Okay. Okay, no. Okay. And I need a cheese. Squeak! An intruder, wait, stay calm. Nobody can get past this door. They would need to know that this door needs 2 buttons to open it, and one is way over there. Where? Oh! Besides, how's the robot gonna get 2 pieces of cheese? Okay. Let's go this way. Oh, okay. What's this? Ooh! Okay, come on. Okay, let's just go. Okay, so ready? Let's jump here. And okay, this may be harder than that. Whoa! What's that supposed to be? Okay, I forgot to dive. Let's just okay, come on, dive. Okay. We'll jump. Okay, we're up here. Now I think I need to do something. Okay, I need this. A cheese. Okay, here. Is there a cheese here? Okay. There cheese anywhere? I need cheeses around. Okay, got the cheese. Now. How do I do this? Okay, maybe I can do something. No, okay. Maybe I could throw it there. Okay, not that. How about if I pick it up? Okay, what do I do? Maybe I should go there. No, okay.
Daddy.
Okay, come on. No. Is this possible? No, you have to be kidding me. What's the point of this cheese? don't need it. I need a cheese here, but I can't get over. And this one, what's this? What's this for? Oh, there's a lever up there, and I think I know how to get up there. I think. Okay. Come on. Oh, okay. Why is my thing not working? Okay. How do I get there? Okay, yeah, this is not possible. So I'll probably maybe try to get to there. Okay, yeah, I probably can go there. Come on. Oh, so close. Come on. Okay. How do I get there? Oh, yes! Ah, so close. Come on, you have to be kidding me. Maybe I have to go like right on the edge. Right there. Okay, yeah, I can't do it. Come on. Oh, yes, I did it! Now I gotta just go there. Okay. Okay, come on. Come on. Okay. Made it. Now let's just go here. Now, okay. Now let's just go here. Come on. Okay, yes. Oh, what happened? Oh, everything's going down now. Wait. Now I need to go here later. Yeah, I think maybe we need this. Now there probably should be a cheese or a path. Okay. Oh, I can get with the cheese now. Let's go. Okay, now I can put that cheese there with me. But, okay, come on. But now I need to get another piece of cheese. But where could that be? There. Is there a cheese I left over here? Oh. Any cheese I left here? Okay. Okay, now I could use this cheese to put it in the other place. Oh, that was so close.
Hold on.
Okay, I'll hold. Let you hold.
No, hold.
Okay.
Me.
Okay. So since that's there, Oh no, that's okay. So that's there. So I need to go where I was, like there. So I have to go back to that button. Oh no! Okay. Oh, oh, oh! You have to be kidding me! Oh! I'm so angry right now. Okay, let's just get this. Okay, we gotta get there somewhere. I mean somehow. Because I already have that button there, but I need to get there. And I got that. Okay. Okay. Okay, we have to try to make this go to that button without dying. Okay. Jump. So how do I get there? Maybe I need something to do with. I'm dead. Goodbye, cheese. It's not there anymore. Oh, it's still there. Okay. Okay. Okay, now let's maybe get that lever. Okay. Come on. Okay. Come on, let me up. Okay. Okay, what's happening? Why is it not working? Why is it not working? Did my get? Okay, I'm gonna hover. Okay, maybe I just keep this stop the video from here. So guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, share this video with your friends, and turn on your notifications. Bye bye.